Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today we are making PINKASO recipe, one of Ghanaians favorite street snack. It's very easy recipe with few ingredients and I know you're going to love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. To begin with this PINKASO recipe, I will need my all-purpose flour. You can as well use plain flour for this recipe. Salt to taste, my yeast. I'll also go in with some scallions, 1 medium-sized onions, and 2 scotch bonnet pepper. And we also need some oil for frying. Just few ingredients and you have your tasty and delicious PINKASO recipe. So now let's begin. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can as well use plain flour if that is what you have. So that I'll go in with my yeast, salt to taste, and I will set this aside. Whilst that is going on, I'll go ahead and cut up my vegetables, which is the onions, pepper, and some scallions, which I will blend and add it to the dry ingredients, and it will give the PINKASO extra flavor. Okay, so now after adding it to the dry ingredients, I'll go in with a little bit of water, stir everything together until we reach the desired consistency that we're looking for. Remember to go in with the water little by little because we really want to achieve the perfect dough. Okay, all right, so now let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing my videos, and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. And if you haven't give your girl a thumbs up yet, kindly give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after mixing the dough, this is how it's supposed to look like, not too watery and not too stiff. So I'm going to cover this, and I'll also keep this in a warm place to double in size very well. So I'll keep this for about 10 to 15 minutes since I'm using instant yeast. Okay, you can also use activate yeast if that is what you have. And after 15 more minutes, it's looking all good. Just look at how it has doubled in size very well. So now I'm going to add in the rest of my ingredients, which is the scallions, and it's going to give the PINKASO extra crunchiness and extra flavor. Remember, I've already blended some of the scallions, so if you don't want to add in this, no need. Okay, because I really want the PINKASO to come out very crunchy or crispy, that's why I added it to it. Okay, so after it is all done, I'll heat up my oil and start dropping in my PINKASO. This is my first time trying how to drop PINKASO, so I struggled with it a little bit, but yeah, we move. Okay, so I'll drop everything, fry until it turns into the perfect golden brown color that I want. Remember also not to fry this PINKASO on high heat because we really want the outside and the inside fried beautifully. Okay, so now let's fry until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. Alright, so after extra 5 more minutes of frying this in the oil, it is looking all golden as you can see, and the outside looks very crispy, and that is what we're looking for. So I'm going to remove this from the oil and place it on a paper towel to absorb the oil a little bit, and I'll repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. PINKASO is a very common food or snack in Ghana, specifically in the Hausa community. And do you know that PINKASO is normally served with sugar, honey, Hausa cocoa, or any drink or beverage that you want to enjoy with this snack. It goes well with it. But for today, I'll be enjoying mine with just sugar. Yes, growing up as a kid, I enjoyed this snack with sugar so much. You can also omit the sugar part if you don't want too much sugar eating it, okay? But as a kid, adding sugar to PINKASO was a game changer. But if you don't want too much sugar, you can just omit it totally. Look at how crispy this PINKASO looks right now, and the taste was so marvelous. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.